I'm Kyle Alexander with Professional Car Washing and Detailing Magazine and carwash.com, and this is your weekend review. This week in Car Wash e-News, VisaWash opened its newest Car Wash Express location in San Antonio, Texas. The new location offers an efficient car wash experience featuring the latest in car care technology. Customers can enjoy complimentary amenities like vacuums, compressed air, towels, and window cleaner to complete their cleaning routine. To celebrate the grand opening, the new Car Wash Express location is offering free car washes until August 25th. This is VisaWash's way of saying thank you to the community for their warm welcome. Champion Express Car Wash announced the grand opening of a new location in Windsor, Colorado. All guests will receive a free top wash with ceramic wax through August 28th. With a core value of community, Champion Express prioritizes partnering with local organizations to benefit its friends and neighbors. To celebrate the opening of its newest location, Champion Express will donate $1 per wash to Weld RE4 Education Foundation as part of the Car Washes for Kids initiative until August 28th. The new car wash is open Monday through Sunday from 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Splash Car Wash opened its latest site, an Express Wash in Rutland, Vermont. This is its third in the state and 8th greenfield location opened in the past 12 months. Splash utilized modern wash systems to construct the building, fully equipping the site with McNeil and Sonny's equipment. The Express Wash also includes Splash's Optimus Prep, a high-pressure cleaning system manufactured by Pettit Auto Wash Equipment. The car wash is outfitted with 11 interior and 16 outdoor vacuums, along with a mat cleaning room available to customers for free with a car wash. The chain currently has 3 additional washes under construction in New York, and Splash will also begin construction in the coming months on 3 more New York Express washes. Several car wash companies were recently recognized in Inc. magazine's Inc. 5000 list. El Car Wash ranked 632nd, Tidal Wave Auto Spa ranked 2008th, Express Wash Concepts ranked 2,228th, and Tint World ranked 4,776th. To qualify, companies must have been founded and generating revenue by March 31st of 2020. This list ranks companies according to percentage revenue growth from 2020 to 2023. You can find a link to the full Inc. 5000 list at our website, carwash.com. And finally, in the PC&D world, we are conducting a market survey. It'll help us learn how car wash businesses acquire customers, identify challenges in acquiring customers, and evaluate current marketing tools used by car washes. The survey only takes a few minutes to complete, and participants will be entered for a chance to win a cool prize. You can find a link to this car wash market survey in our e-newsletters. That'll do it for this week's weekend review. You can find the full stories of these highlights at carwash.com. You can also sign up for our free Car Wash e-News and magazine at carwash.com/subscribe. No news next week, but we'll be back in September with more Car Wash news. Until then, I've been Kyle Alexander, and as always, keep on sparkling.